It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. At Home with Lisa, Design with Emma, myself, Jennifer at Home, Debbie Bubbles, and Lifestyle Design with Teresa. The theme is Cozy Gingerbread Man. We can decorate a wreath, a garland, centerpiece, anything as long as it's a gingerbread theme. So come along with me as I decorate a little gingerbread tree. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and get the little tree all fluffed out. And then I'll start decorating it. And what I'll do with this little gingerbread tree, I'll probably put it on the staircase in the foyer. I'll put it on that little table. So I'm getting this all fluffed out, as you all can see. And once we get it all fluffed out here, then we'll start decorating it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the stand, and then we will decorate it. What we're gonna do next is put the light on it, and you can see the stem is in the gingerbread color. So we're just gonna go ahead and attach the lights, and then what we'll do is we'll come back and decorate it once we have the lights all attached to it. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and make our bow. So I'm gonna take and get the bow made here. As you can see, I've already started it. So all we have to do now is just take the ends of the bow and spread the bow all out here. And then what we'll do is put it on the tree. And I'm gonna move this back a little. I guess I hit it too close, so you all can see what I'm doing. So this is a pretty nice size bow because I want it to hang all the way down the tree. And this ribbon is ward ribbon, and I did purchase it from the DollarTree. So all I'm doing now is fluffing out my bow so I can get it ready to put on the tree. Okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get this fluffed and hang it on the tree. you can see, I have the 3 little gingerbread men here. I've also added 3 of the little ornaments on the side. I have the 2 little gingerbread men sitting on each side of the tree. And I've also added the ribbon under the tree to act as a tree skirt. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish it all the way around. Then I'll come back and show you the reveal. And as I said, what I have is I have about 3 more of these, and we just gonna hang these, some of them, on the back of the tree here, so it'll be decorated all the way around. We'll add the other 2 little gingerbread men to the back, and then we should be finished. These are very cute, you all. You can pick them up at the DollarTree, and they come in their little 5 in a pack, and you just have to put them together. But as you can see, they are very cute. I have added them to the tree here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other 2. I do need to put this on the one in the top, and see, they come in the little felt like this, and all you have to do is add a little glue to it, and I'm just gonna put a couple of little spots of glue to it, and then I'm just gonna tape it on here, and that'll be the little centerpiece. I left it off of that one. So those are very cute. You get 5 for $1 at the DollarTree. I'm gonna put the other 2 together. Then I'm gonna finish, as I said, putting the little ornaments on, which also came from the DollarTree. And then I'll come back and show you the reveal. I put together the little gingerbread men. They come 5 in a pack. So I use 3 at the front and the other 2 at the back of it. And also I added in the little ornaments as I showed you before. And I put the lights on the tree. So guys, I think it turned out adorable. I think it's just gonna be cute. And I'm gonna give it to my grandson and let him put it in his little room. I wanna thank the Grace Life DIY for hosting this collaboration. I will be leaving her name and all of the creators who are participating in my description box. You all make sure you go over and check out all of their channels and their playlists. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me, because without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and come along and be a part of our family. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.